Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and even press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last few videos, I have discussed about various network devices such as repeaters, hub, switch, bridge, router and browser. I hope you have watched all those videos and you have understood the concept. In this video, I want to discuss about the gateway. What is a gateway? Why we need a gateway? How many layers are there in the gateway? All these things we will discuss. The gateway consists of all the layers in the model. If you are using the OSI model, it will consist of all the 7 layers such as application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and the physical layer. If you are using the TCP IP model, it will consist of all the 5 layers such as application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and the physical layer. Okay, as if you see that I have not written the layers because I hope you have watched all the layers in the OSI model. And then in the coming videos, I will discuss about the TCP IP model in detail. Then I will list out all the layers because usually we will have 5 layers in the TCP model which we are currently using. Okay, so if it have the transport layer, network layer and data link layer because it consists of all the 7 layers and the TCP 5 layers also there. Am I right or wrong? Then it can able to identify the port address in the packet and also the IP address in the packet and even the MAC address in the packet. Am I right or wrong? So it can do the packet filtering and also it can forward the packets. Okay, and it is used to connect two networks using different models. When we are discussing about the router, we said that router is useful for us to connect the two networks using the same model. Meaning is that if you have one network and if you are using a router, if you are connecting with another network, these two networks should use the same model. If you are using the OSI model, here also it should be OSI model. If you are using the TCP IP model, here also it should be TCP IP model. When it comes to the gateway, you can use to connect two networks using different models. Meaning is that here if you are using the OSI model, here you can use OSI model or another model also. It is not compulsory that it should be two different models. If it is two different models also gateway can handle. If it is same models also gateway can handle because it is having the more capability as compared to the router because router will consist of only 3 layers. When it comes to the gateway, it consists of all the layers. Okay, are you able to understand it or not? So what it can do, even it can do the conversion. Protocol conversion it can do because when it comes to the OSI model, you will use the some methods and when it comes to the TCP IP model, you will use it. So you can use this conversion. Okay, gateway can handle it and even it can filter the packets. Why it can filter the packets? If the destination is belongs to the same network, it no need to forward it. Am I right or wrong? And it can forward the packets also. Are you able to understand? One more thing gateway can do, it can even act as a proxy server because if you want to filter some packets, let's take that in a university you are using the gateway and you don't want allow the students to access all the websites. You want to keep some restrictions, then you can do because the packet, the gateway can check all the information. Are you able to understand? Meaning is that we can use it as a firewall. Are you able to understand what the firewall will do? It will what you call filter the packets based on the information what you are browsing. So if you see the some universities does not allow particular websites, how it will be done? It will be done with the help of a gateway because it can see the entire information. So it can be useful as a proxy server also. I hope you have understood what is the gateway, how many layers it consists of, and how it is different from the router. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. If you really like my video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel. If you really happy with my videos, please subscribe and also press the bell button. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.